Welcome to another episode of The Love Hub, where we give tips and advices to women about love and relationships. This episode is about how to make him kiss you passionately. A quick shout out to Helen Joshua and Gift Johnson. Thank you for always watching on our channel. For topic requests and shout out requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tip number 1. Break the ice with your guy. Guys will be way too unsure about kissing you if you can't even get past the touch zone. Whether it's holding his hand or giving him a hug, you need to show that it's okay to get physical with you. If you want a deeper connection, you are going to have to convey to him how you feel. May it be verbally or physically. Don't be disappointed if you can't get past the physical barrier at first. Touching is awkward and can even be harrowing to some. It may take repeated attempts before someone is comfortable with you touching them. Tip number 2. Lean in closer for the kiss. Leaning in is a wonderful way to increase your chance of a man finally planting his lips onto yours. Not only is it a good way to show how much you are into this person, it also places you in a good place for him to place his lips onto yours. Looking deep into his eyes while pressing up close against his body will surely hint a kiss moment. Letting your guy kiss you can be initiated with you leaning in a little closer, and there's nothing wrong with that. Leaning may be the perfect way to start getting your guy to see that you want the kiss. His gaze just may turn towards your lips. That is tip number 2. Lean in closer for the kiss. Tip number 3. Highlight your lips to make him kiss you. Make sure that you draw attention to your lips and make them stand out. May it be a dash of lipstick or just puckering them up. Giving a sign with your actual lips will increase the chance of a guy wanting to kiss you. After all, guys do want to kiss you in general. You just have to show that you are willing for a guy to kiss you. Guys who are shy will definitely get the courage to kiss you if you highlight your lips. Tip number 4. Stare at your guy's lips. It's a good idea to draw attention to the thing that you want him to kiss, but it is also important to stare on his lips. While staring at his lips intensely may turn him off, it may also be a good way to show how much you want it. By subtly glancing his lips or drawing attention by brushing them with your lips, you can communicate your willingness to make out. Staring may seem a little creepy at first, so you must do this one perfectly and smoothly. If he catches you staring too hard, your guy may not want to kiss you at all. That is tip number 4. Stare at your guy's lips. Tip number 5. Stare into his eyes if you want him to kiss you. You can communicate your need for a kiss without saying anything, just by looking directly into his eyes. Guys will sometimes need that extra push to kiss you. By staring into his eyes, he may be filled with an overwhelming desire to kiss you. Guys are sometimes weird just like that. This will not work for all guys because staring may be a little difficult for those just starting out. If you stare at him way too hard, he may get turned off. Tip number 6. Kiss his cheek to make him want to kiss you badly. Kissing him on the cheek is definitely a fair game. If you want to initiate a kiss, it's a simple idea. Kiss him to make him kiss you. Leaning in and kissing him on the cheek is a physical indication of attraction. This will make the guy take your feelings into consideration and kiss you back. A kiss on the cheek can be a powerful thing. It can increase the sexual tension in the room in a snap. Tip number 7. Whisper into his ear. This one may also sound a little creepy. but it really makes sense in making your guy want to kiss you. Whispering into his ear puts his face right next to yours. All it takes for him is to turn around and firmly put one on your waiting lips. Don't force him to kiss you, but you can make yourself look tempting. Go right up to his ear and tell him how you feel. It doesn't have to be anything dirty or too sexually provocative. You just can be honest and tell him that you want to kiss him. That is tip number 7, whisper into his ear.
Tip number 8, the I'm cold style. Pretending to be cold puts you in a vulnerable position, which is enhanced by verbal affirmation. This may trigger feelings inside your guy that make him want to hug and kiss you. Sometimes, this technique can backfire on you. Guys can be oblivious or just extremely shy. If this doesn't work, maybe go back to some of the more basic techniques to get a guy to kiss you. This is tip number 8. Thank you for listening. For topic requests and shout-out requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.